going.
I know.
When Atamil came. Today, the same MPP strategy I use to yeah. Emma Sebe to me we are doing the same thing with the same blueprint.
No, we can't do that, man. We can't repeat the same thing again. No.
Chairman, at the end of microphone, Dr. Anna microphone, Papa Sim microphone, and an Ekufad microphone, Alan Tremantin microphone, yeah. Now we have to do who say, and our crowd by no, your ministry was this. Now, and this when they repeated the same thing until your tea, and you know, you have with all the work President before did. Chairman, today we are here again, Ghana for. Why wouldn't Mahama say yeah, short memory people? Odika. Chairman, the same thing yeah, 2008. The same gurus, party gurus. When did you come? Ebrane yeah campaign na man na do no na wo he na ye didn't say or your campaign san Canada by a chairman and Kobenya baby show and your development for the constituency. It's regardless of the ananadu ye ni nano. So far as there were no pam memune there or bet on the party out to the party as a bass and I say. Now me na ya na me bisa say chairman one more yes ade no ho honorable for no more yes ade no. Say yamfa say yakoto aba nyehwe I know Bawumia will win but yamfa say Bawumia win Alan a winnie and I say Kennedy Japan a winnie. Are they now gonna come and tell us say did the attempt a true propaganda what would you go Bawumia to say yeah di be good anymore as na onya chance ni na no afei omo be pepen ni na say ye ya Bawumia so be bibi man ya na mama ye ntwe ni MPP for na sa picture ya ye ntwe ye hu ne da MPP for any die mu ara gurusu mo can be obi can be party mo eja mo na mo na party no mo de ba ye yo yate but you needed young bloods to sustain the party. How many of you come to rallies these days? Some of you said you konwa mu kura mu ntment na na so na presidential ba ye ntino ma bet na o say ya meto mo so aba. Some of you have been building your portfolio for how long? But because some attitude of always saying negativity about your own party, you end up not having anything to run on. Chairman, I asked the question the last time, and I'll ask it here again. Why would somebody vote for MPP? Because the Juma and Anado, and Bawumia, and I'm a
yes.
It is a flag bearer and a or come main election, now one record no deco, Alan Tremante record no deco, and the record ne he was the Minister of Trade, and no. I don't record on Deco. It's a collective thing.
Of course.
It is a collective thing. In any way. Say, trade ministry, Benyeska, and yeah, on project here, on person, and yeah, ministry be, and a copy scaba, normally, yeah. So, road minister, person, your road that, and your ministry been a copy scan near the road.
Yeah.
So why are we doing this to ourselves? Now, Yankasa MPP for ye 2 year wagum, say ye be about Bawumia be piano, ye perceive a be at the dancing. Chairman, first I gold for oil, not one. Namin Trewadi. Namin Fembian Crop will be any CCR.
All right, hold on.
But no, mammy, that's the first thing I want to start with. Now, Mama Shadi, yes, do any to the or shut up the shows and then they no crack. The MP before ni been NDC for now can't be any Dr. Bawumia needs to lead this country. Okay? I was so shocked today on some platform for somebody to say, Dr. Bawumia governor no kwanye dwumabia na obodin bi ono na eye adwa na mesemo ankasa no monte amembu ase on energy minister na ankasa any deputy minister wan eye adwuma Because when a field guy, operation guy, I will call, who deputy no, who na day to day, no, yeah, minister no, your borough, yeah, the BBA, yeah, your BBA, one yes, minister, super science over this and see the other bed, would the bay, human, the unfine human. And so, no, because say, yes, yeah, dear. Na yenye ya dwensi ebesu adi enti no, we would always fall a victim to lies and propaganda by people. Chairman, why? Oil for gold, no one way in America, because this is what NDC stations are sharing around. And funny enough, write up no, write up no, write up no first. We will play this one, but write up no. I need the write up no. They are a Japanese account, you know. That is so because that is what they are using to do propaganda.
Trade gold against the US dollar and other major currencies with FXTM to discover the opportunities this precious metal has to offer. Don't miss your next golden opportunity. Join FXTM to start trading gold today.
That is the one I need. What about so I know I share page in the Michubia? May sorry, say never buy Minchia money now. May sorry. What was to be a may I didn't in the Minshada? Who the Ecoso into the Monfan Chemi, but Michubia. Michia will be bia. May I say, this is what I want. Chairman, they be a mekase. Say Oma or time, Edu and him. Say Oma or time, Esha man, you would always fail. Utie, you would always fail.
Of course.
Shesa Yatsna Ghana. This year, yeah, this is the 6 years, and I'm a boy. Yeah, two gold, two gold. I thought that crown yesterday, I will say, oh my, you two gold, you who some fast so. Ye here oil ya. Na ya kwase sa $7 ya so see this baby near the akofa dollar kakra bi the akofa oil the aba. Na ye ho ye den chire ya because I see a ton aboden na yetumi de tete ye ka. Na enti chairman ye ni na ye call for contest. Na say obi o opponent etumi de adwen bi aba say chale me ne me nkrofo ye ntena se ne ye ndwene. Ye gold di adan ye ntumi fanye say barter trading. Na said the bear, omo ma say ya yes ye mom say. Infiti ase and this 4 year be jina onenya adwuma no boa these people it is lies bien. Ye hu ya na Dr. Bawumia no makoye ho papers. Ye wo hwa na president ya travel akwaba. Afi ye wo mu ayese o Ghana enche bia ye the gold beto oil. Yes you ye tro o omo boa NPP for the sankrofo we dey say ya no musubante e. Eje bo ampa nyame ncha